Hi guys, it's me again. I know this is going to sound a bit crazy, but the purpose of this video is very strange because I am not going to be doing any match video here, so I'm just recording something else, which is totally unusual for me. I've got a bunch of pens and I want to make a review of them. And lately I've been very much taken away, fascinated by the BIC pen. This was given to me by my sister, and as you can see, I hope I'm holding it all right there. So I'm just going to be doing a review of that beautiful pen, multicolored. It's got various colors there, as you can see. We'll talk about that in the review. I've got the BIC pen, the red one, which is the crystal pen, and this is the latest. It's a ballpoint, and also I've got this one I bought. Officially, the how can I say, the logo sign of BIC is there, as you can see. Am I able to show it properly here? Yeah, but it didn't come in any package, any box or anything. It was just in a small plastic bag. I bought this from a supermarket, very cheap, about just 15 rupees, probably I would say $half, American dollars. I've got this Stedler. That I'm not going to make a review of that pen, but it's in my hands, so I'm going to show it to you. This one here is a great pen. It's the Stabilo. It's the kind of gel pen, and the only problem with this pen is that when you write with it, it just bleeds through the page, and I don't like that, because I like a pen that writes clean, so the other side of the page or the paper remains as it is, quite normal, without any smear. This is the Parker pen, gifted to me by my dad from the UK. I've heard that Parker in the UK, they closed down, and France taken over the company and still doing the pen. Okay, so I'm going to have to take each one of these BIC pens and write on a paper to show you the quality and give you my opinion about what I think about those different pens. Alright, so we'll just see you in a moment. Take care. Okay, here are the pens I was talking about, and now we're going to see how each and every one of these pens write individually. So I'm going to start with let us see, Atlantis BIC. Okay, so this is the one, and you see it's a black color, and by the look of it I can tell maybe 0.5. I'm not very sure, I'm not very experienced at pens, so I'll just write something here. This is a BIC review of some of these ballpoint pens, and let's see, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Wow. Now, as you can see, I don't know if it's quite clear on the camera. Let me just bring this a little bit closer. You see the ink. To get a darker shade, you need to press maybe twice. One time, and then you write on this thing again. Just get a darker one. And if you see between, here it's pale, and here it's dark, and here it's pale again and dark again, and it does that as you write along. I think BIC has this problem with almost every ballpoint pen. This is my personal observation, and we'll see that with the other one. This is a BIC, a fine. It's not an ultra fine, but it's a fine BIC. And this is the one I was talking about earlier on. I bought this from the supermarket today, and it cost about 50 pence. So let's do this one. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. As you can see, it's lighter than the first one. Basically, I think it's got to do with the pen being fine. You see? So this is a fine tip. I've got the ultra fine. It's not with me at the moment, but it's almost the same. And personally, I am not a big fan of fine. I mean, like, you know, when it comes to the size of the writings. Okay, I'm not a fan of fine. I like the one that is medium. Okay, medium or maybe large, but not fine. You know, for me, fine is like you can't see properly what you're writing. I mean, you can, but you have to kind of. I don't know. It's my personal opinion. Maybe it's my own perception, the way I see things. You know, they say beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. All right, so well, I would kind of use this pen just occasionally, if not very often. And therefore, let's move on to the next one. I don't want this video to be quite long. This is a BIC famous pen that came in probably in the 1970s. As far as I remember, as a small boy, I remember we had this pen kind of like 25 years back. They've changed the shape a little bit, the style. I don't know, this is now transparent. I mean, like you can see inside. Anyway, let's go with the black color ink first. Okay, so we're gonna write, this thing is a little bit more like stock. Well, not bad. It flows quite smoothly. You don't have to kind of press hard and make a lot of effort. Okay, so anyway, I think BIC is okay, but it's just like, I like the name. Well, there's a big history behind the name of BIC. I don't want to mention, because the spelling was B-I-C-H, and they realized that the spelling was, I mean, the pronunciation of the pen, of the name of the pen, turns out to be kind of a swearing word, and therefore they drop the H and make it B-I-C, BIC. This is the green color, okay? A thing of beauty, okay. As a joy forever. Alright, so as you can see, it's kind of dark and then light, dark and light, dark and light, dark and light, same as with this first one here. Well, I'm not being paranoid about pens here, but yeah, it's not my style to come up with a review, and I don't know why I'm doing this, but maybe out of you know, curiosity, or probably because I want to share what I feel, and that's why. I would say the quality is almost the same with each and every one. Okay, so this is the blue one. All right, it looks like not purple, but yeah, that's blue. That's blue. It's kind of okay. And the red. Normally I do recording of maths videos and upload solutions of these videos online. So those who have been in the habit of watching my videos would know me much more with solving maths, mechanics and statistics problems for, you know, I mean for students studying in grade 11 and 12, but not with a review of the BIC pen. However, I don't know, you may probably want to tell me what you feel about this video, and if you like it, don't forget to just you know, press a like there. Alright, so see you. Take care. I hope that's okay. By the way, this line comes from this famous British poet, British romantic poet, John Keats. A thing of beauty is joy forever, and its loveliness increases. I think something like that. I can't remember those lines by heart. Well, he's written some good poems. You can check him out, check his work, and you'll find what I'm telling you. All right, so here we go. Take care.